Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to exit Google Sheets full screen. So as you can see, we are using Google Sheets now in full screen mode, which is great in a lot of cases, but if you want to use the toolbar or the menu bar, you have to exit this full screen, but there is no button here. So what you have to do is click on any cell in the spreadsheet and right click on that cell, and then you will have the option to exit full screen here. And now as you can see, we get back the toolbar, we get back the menu bar and the name of the Google Sheets spreadsheet, which is Project Management Sheet in this example. If you want to go back to full screen mode, just select View here and click on Full Screen. And now we are back in full screen mode. You can also use the ESC keyboard shortcut to exit the full screen mode in Google Sheets. So now this is how to exit full screen mode in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database or our Google Sheets Shortcut Keys ebook for free and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up. So also make sure to subscribe.